Hello guys, today we will learn how to install Red Hat Linux OS on VMware Workstation. So let's start. Open the VMware Workstation and then click on File, then New Virtual Machine. Window wizard appears. Here we will get two options for configuration. One is typical configuration and second one is custom configurations. Here I am selecting custom configurations and then click next. Here on next on this window we will get uh, we have to select the installation disk medium. Like if we have installation disk as a CD DVD, then we have to select installer disk as installer disk. If you have set up you have set up copied on your somewhere on your disk, then we have to select second option. Here I am selecting third option, that is I will install the operating system later, and then click next. And on this window we have to select the operating system. There are lots of operating system. Here we are selecting Linux, and then we have to select the version of that operating system. There are lots of versions listed here. We are selecting Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 64-bit, and then click next. Here we have to select we have to set the machine virtual machine name. I am selecting demo. In location we have to select where we want to store all the configuration files. uh, Store, I'm selecting in D drive. Okay, and then click next. In this window we have to select disk capacity. Disk capacity is as per our requirement. Here I'm keeping as it is, which is recommended at 20 GB. And below we will get two options. One is store virtual disk as a single file, and second one is split virtual disk into multiple files. If we are selecting store in virtual disk as a single file, then we at the time of recovery it's very hard to recover that virtual machine from the single file. For that for making recovery easy, we have to select virtual disk into multiple files, and then click next. This is all overview of our custom configurations, and then click finish. Wait for some time. After that this window appears. Then we have to select installation disk, uh, like where you have stored ISO file, and I have stored a ISO file under D software Red Hat 7 servers, Red Hat 7 server. Click on OK, and then we can change the hardware as per our requirement from here. uh, we can change memory from here, 2 GB, 4 GB, 3 GB. We can change processors as well here from here. We can also change hard disk size, hard disk configuration from here. We can add network card from here, and then click OK. After that we will power on the machine. It will take some time. Here we will get two options: install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.0, and second one is test this media and install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.0. we'll go with install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 and then click enter. It will take some time. It's powering on all services. Now machine is powered on. Here we have to select the language. I'm selecting English United States and then click next. This is the installation summary. Here we have to select date and time. Like I'm selecting Asia and then click on done. After that we have to select installation destination. Uh, Here under the device selection we are getting here only one disk, as we have added one disk at the time of configuration. We can add second disk uh, from here, but I'm not selecting a second disk. On below other storage options, we will get two options for partitioning. One is automatically configure partitioning, and second one is I will configure partitioning from here. I am going with automatic and click on done. After that we have to select software selection. If you are selecting minimal installation, then you will not get graphical interface. For graphical interface we have to select server with GUI and then click on done. It's checking. Wait for some time. Yes. Now click on begin installation. Here we have to select root password. You can set as you want and click on done. If you want to add another user, we can add from here uh, full name of user and adding test user. We can add the test user as administrator, and then we have to set password for that user and click on done. It will take some time for installation. Here we have successfully installed a Red Hat Linux OS on VMware platform. We'll check by login. After login, we will get this desktop GUI of Red Hat Linux, Red Hat 7. We can open terminal by right clicking on desktop. Yeah, thank you guys.